it's Liv. Welcome back to my channel. So today's video is a vlog. It's kind of like a what I eat in a day / Sunday vlog, but I'm editing it right now and I realized that I didn't really film an intro or an outro, just explaining the video and then saying bye. So I thought that I would just film that now. Basically, I just picked up my vlogging camera the other day on a Sunday when I just kind of felt like filming, and I thought that I would show you what I eat in a day. I think I'm gonna do some more what I eat in a day videos in the next little while, because I feel like at the start of the year, a lot of people go vegan or try and be plant-based. So I feel like it will be super helpful for people who are maybe new vegans or people trying to incorporate more plant-based foods into their diet to see what someone who's been vegan for about 6 years eats. My fiance Greg is also vegan and has been for about 5 years. We started working out a lot more, like pretty much every day, and eating a little bit differently. So I'll definitely talk about that a little bit more, but this is just like a cozy, relaxing, snowy winter Sunday vlog. And yeah, hope you enjoy the video. Right? Oh, good girl, Hazel. Not for you. Hi. Hazel, what did I say? What did I say? You have to wait a few minutes. You have to wait a few minutes. So this is a coffee cake baked pancake. The recipe's on my blog, and I'm just gonna heat it up in the oven so that the top gets nice and crispy, but you can also microwave it if you're short on time. So good. Okay, so this is how I do my coffee stories every day. I open the cupboard, I go to Instagram, put my filter on, and put my phone up there. And that is how the coffee stories happen. And then I just, you know, do my latte art here. And you can see it up there, the side angle. Oh yeah, and then I put it on hands-free. And sometimes I put the flash on so that you can see. So I'll do a side angle of the coffee art. milk's not perfect today because I wasn't paying such close attention, but anyways. Oh my god, I made the chubbiest little heart. Oh my god, it's so cute. Oh yeah, so then this is what the story ends up looking like. I guess it's satisfying, I just don't think I'm very good at it, so. 10. Cute. Oh my god, I almost forgot about my baked pancake. She's gonna be crispy now. Okay. Check it out though. Okay, so this is my breakfast. It's basically like having cake for breakfast. It's so, oh, it's just so like fluffy. It's just a giant pancake basically with cinnamon streusel topping. It goes so perfect with coffee. So there you have it. I am just heading to my parents' house because I live pretty close to them, and they actually have a nice bathtub, which we don't have in our house, and my muscles are super sore, so I'm gonna use some Epsom salts and just have a nice little soak at their house. I feel like I just went to the spa. My face is all red from the hot bath, but that was lovely. I'm gonna have some dinner. And it's Sunday, so we're just gonna hang out, watch a movie. Yeah, that's it. Also, if you're wondering what this is in the back, it's our dog hammock, so the dogs don't like fall off the seat.
Is that a fart?
Hazel, I heard that. She's like, not me, I would never. No, Hazel, we don't eat raw potatoes. Guys, you just ate. This is what happened this morning. This whole vlog is just me looking into Hazel's poor sad face, telling her she has to wait 5 minutes before she goes to play. You gotta wait, sweet pies. You gotta wait too, Willa. We're gonna make pita pizzas for supper, so I'm gonna do barbecue chicken for mine. And then we've got some spinach for a salad. Greg just went to the store and did a little grocery haul. So we got some oat milk, some corn chips, vegan cheese for the pizza, vegan cheese for snacking, vegan yogurt. This one's like the best ever. Actually, the Daya Greek one's pretty good too, but this one's really good. Some avocados, some avocados, and some tofu, and some pizza squeeze. Babe, you got the garlic and basil one. They're like, yes. Okay, bye. We got some air fryer potatoes. I have my favorite salad, which today is mostly just spinach, carrots, and clementines, but with like the best dressing ever from my cookbook. Normally I have sometimes like some cheese and blueberries too, but you know. And then this is our pizzas. We've got buffalo chicken, some sauteed bacon, vegan cheese on a pita. And that one's Greg's. Oh, and I put some basil under there too. The salad like doesn't look like much, but it's the best salad ever. And this little pizza is gonna be so good. The dogs are sleeping. And we're gonna have some dinner. Okay, so I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if you have any requests for things you want to see in future vlogs. But like I said at the start, I think I will take some time in the next one to tell you guys about the changes that we've made to our diet and lifestyle and exercise and all of that, because it's going really well and it's just been like the best thing ever. All the links you'll need are below to my blog and recipes and my coffee equipment and anything else mentioned in the video that you might want links for. So yeah, that's everything for me today, and I will see you guys in the next one.